grade 5 children. Now we are going to see the topic animals living on land. Okay, in chapter 2 Incredible Animals. Okay, in chapter 2 Incredible Animals we are seeing the topic animals living on land. Okay, we'll read what all the water. Okay, how the animals living on land has its characteristics. First, animals living in forest. Okay, animals living in forest. We saw different types of habitats in our previous class. So we will see how animals live in forest. What are all the what are all the characters it has to live in forest. Forest are the places that have many trees. Okay, trees provide food and shelter for the animals in forest. In forest, so many trees are there. So that animals can get shelter and food from the forest. Animals such as lion, tiger, okay, fox, deer, monkey live in forest. Okay, animals such as that know what all the animals live in forest. Lion, tiger, fox, deer, monkey. And some more animals are there. You can think what are the other animals. Elephants. Elephants. Then lion. Then like that it will go on. Animals such as hare, rat and snake live inside burrows. What it is? Burrows. Burrows are nothing but it will make the hole inside the under the ground. Inside the earth. Okay, it will make a hole in the earth. And it make a burrows. Okay, and these animals, hare, rat and snake live inside burrows. They have strong limbs. That means strong legs. Okay, and very good sense of sight. And it can find out very good sense of sight and hearing. So this helps them to detect and escape from their enemies. This helps them to detect and escape. So some enemies are there on the outside its burrow, means it won't come out. It will stay inside the It will stay inside the burrow. Okay. So this very good sense of sight and hearing. See, due to this good hearing, it can hear the animals are outside the burrow. Now we should not go out like that. Okay. Many types of insects also live in forest. Even insects also live in forest. Okay. Understood, children? So if rain comes in forest, it can take shelter under the trees. So that the animals can live on the forest. Now we'll see desert. Okay, desert. Deserts have extreme temperature. Extreme temperature means very hot or very cold. Extreme means extreme, maximum level. Okay, it has extreme hot and it can in night it is very cold. Okay, and this is very less rainfall. That no desert. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold. Only thorny plants grow here. Thorny means what? It has needle-like structure on its leaves. Okay, and there is scarcity of food for animals. The animals won't get food easily. Okay, in desert only. Okay, and there is scarcity of food for animals. So the animals surviving in these extreme conditions have developed a variety of adaptations. The most common animal found in desert is camel. So the most commonly we can see what animal in desert? Camel. Okay, see the camels. See, it has these animals had variety of adaptations. Okay, variety of adaptations that we will see. How the camel can survive because there is no food, no water and what? very cold, that we will see. See, a large camel can drink up to 100 liters of water. It can go without water up to 17 days. See, in a single time it can drink 100 liters of water. Okay, 100 liters of water, and it store it so that it can in its body. Okay, that is the adaptation of camel. It can go without water up to 17 days. Even though it won't drink fresh water, it can adjust with the water in its body. Okay, 17 days. Camels eat a lot when food is available. When food is available, it eat a lot. Okay, they have humps to store food and water. Look here, see, hump here. It has hump to store food and water in it. Whenever the camel gets the food, it eat a lot and it will store it. Okay, in its what? Hump. So that it can live for a long day without food and water. They have humps to store food and water. Padded feet to move easily in the desert. Padded feet. See, can we walk on the sand fastly? No, quickly. It is very difficult. If we go to beach, can we walk fast? No. Why? Due to the soil. Because we are not adapted to soil. That camels are adapted to soil because it has padded feet. The padded feet will move the sand backwards so that it can walk fastly. Okay. They have thick skin that prevents water loss through sweating. Okay. Thick skin it has. The camel has what? Thick skin that prevents water loss through sweating. So, it won't leave the water through sweating. Scorpion, tortoise, hedgehog, hyena, etc. also live in desert. So, what all the other animals? They will ask. Scorpion, tortoise, okay, hedgehog, hyena, etc. All other. These are all other animals live in deserts. Okay, understood, children? So what are the features? What are all the adaptations of a camel? It can store food and water in the hump. Okay, and it has padded feet, and it has thick skin. So these are all the three adaptations of a camel. Okay, so that it can live in desert. Understood, children?